Hey guys, it's me. So, I have moved away, 2 hours away to be exact. I am currently in Augusta, no longer in Atlanta. I am in the other A, or the other A, depending on what A you are from in Georgia. You be from Athens, Americus, whatever other A city there is here. Um, so yeah, I don't have anything here with me really. No tripod. What's a tripod? No tripod or anything like that. So yeah. Haven't really been doing much with my hair. As you can see, it's wrapped up. If you follow my Instagram, you'll see a couple hair bobbers that I've done. Uh, I don't have, like I said, I don't have much here with me. We're just now getting settled in. We've been here for about 2 weeks. And we apparently have wrestlers that, WWE wrestlers that live upstairs. I don't even, and they be up late. Because right now it's 9:50. So, I don't even know. Anywho. But yeah, so given that I am now 2 hours away, uh, naturally my Haitian cuisine videos will probably start tapering off. I can try to do, I guess I could try to do some of the Haitian recipes and just follow what I found in that Haitian cookbook and see how it turns out that way. If y'all would like to see how I do it based off of the recipes themselves, um, y'all just let me know if that's what y'all would want to see. Otherwise, I will be actually going home this weekend. I don't think my mom's going to be cooking much because she got hurt at work. Um, so she hasn't been really feeling good. Um, so I don't know. Um, Excuse me. Other than that, I don't know what y'all want to see from me. Y'all just let me know if there's anything in particular that y'all would like to see, or yeah, whatever. So I guess that's about it. Um, leave your comments and questions down below, and I'll try to get back to y'all as soon as I can. Okay. So stay tuned for another video. Don't know when that's gonna be. I do have some stuff recorded, so I'll probably try to edit that and get that up. Um, so yeah, just let me know, and thanks for everyone that subscribed to my channel, even though I haven't done a video in like over a month. So yeah, I guess just hit me up. I'll talk to you good people later. Peace.